Ever feel like the cloud is just someone else's computer? With better marketing, in 3 minutes, I'll make cloud basics and connectivity options click, so you can talk shop, plan smarter, and avoid costly mistakes. Here's the map: cloud concepts you actually need, service models, deployment types, and how responsibility is shared. Then, connectivity, the real ways data travels between your users, your sites, and your cloud, plus when to choose each. Finally, a quick recap you can screenshot. Let's hook into cloud concepts. Cloud is on-demand compute, storage, and services delivered over a network, pay-as-you-go. Service models: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS, you manage VMs, storage, networks. The provider handles the hardware. Pi par dosen Arab sense. Bonan guns prakar dansen bar. Shreru doesn't bar, you deploy code. The platform handles runtime, scaling, and patching. Sar jasimar, you just use the app. Configuration over infrastructure. Deployment types: public cloud, shared provider infrastructure. Private cloud, dedicated to one org, on-prem, or hosted. Hybrid, mix of on-prem and cloud with integration. Multi-cloud, use more than one provider to reduce risk or use best of breed. Core ideas: regions, choose locations near users. Availability zones, spread across zones for resilience. Scalability, plan for growth. Elasticity, auto-adjust to load. Shared responsibility, the provider secures the cloud, you secure what you put in it. Cost, shift CapEx to OpEx. Architect for egress, storage classes, and right sizing. Option 1, public internet, universal and fast to set up. Pair with site-to-site VPN for encryption and identity. Pair with client VPN for remote users. Good for pilots and remote work. Good for many SaaS apps. Watch latency and jitter. Option 2, dedicated private links, circuits that bypass the public internet for predictable latency and throughput. Great for steady, high-volume traffic. Great for regulated workloads. Great for live data pipelines. Lead times and cost are higher, so use when it matters. Option 3, SD-WAN, software-defined overlays that optimize multiple links. Broadband, 5G, dedicated circuits. Ideal for branch networks and multi-cloud paths. Option 4, peering and private service endpoints keep traffic on provider backbones for lower latency to specific services. Good for SaaS to cloud and microservice chatter. Don't forget the glue, DNS and Anycast for fast resolution. Load balancers, layer 4-7, global and regional. Gateways and NAT for controlled egress. Zero trust, authenticate and authorize every request. And encrypt in transit with TLS. Measure SLOs, latency, packet loss, throughput, and availability. Quick recap: choose IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS based on control versus speed. Public, private, hybrid, or multi-cloud depends on risk, cost, and compliance. Start with Internet plus VPN. Upgrade to dedicated links or SD-WAN for consistency. Place near users. Spread across zones. Design for failure. Secure identities. Segment networks. Encrypt everywhere, and watch your metrics, and your egress bill. That's cloud and connectivity in a nutshell. Save this, share it, tell me what to unpack next.